What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Tech Spaces Cubing video. Today we have the GAN15 Maglev 10th Anniversary Special Edition. We can start by cutting the tape of the outside box. The inside we have, looks like the GAN330 Special Gift and the GAN15 Limited Edition. Okay, so first glance, this box is very nicely designed. Reminds me of the GAN14 Pro Aurora box. Let's go ahead and get the plastic removed. Alrighty. So, you can just open the box like that. This is the GANcube stainless steel core. Very nice. So it's just a display piece right here inside this cardboard box. And on the inside, we have the cube and the accessories. So this is the cube and the accessories are in the bottom of the box. There we go. You can see the box is empty. So this is a very nice accessory box. So when we open it up, first thing we see is this super cool limited edition bag. It says GANcube 10 years. It's made out of the same material that all of their other limited edition bags are made out of. So it's a super soft, tight material. And then we have the adjustment tool. Something special about the GAN15 adjustment tool is that the fire hydrant can clip into the center cap remover to make it one whole unit like this. We have the center caps. These are the special ones with the corners on the centers. These are supposed to give the cube a more stable feel. I believe this is only for the first few batches of the GAN15. So they aren't including this in the future batches. Okay, this is the GAN15 user manual, and it is the same user manual as in the normal GAN15. We have the GAN15 card. The GAN15's card is made out of a lower quality material than their older cards were made out of. You can see that it's slightly warped, and it's made out of this super flexible like cardstock material. Their old cards were made out of a very strong like actual credit card type material, but this is much cheaper. These are the GANcube trading cards. Okay, so they all have this really cool back that says GANcube 10 years, and on the front, these are all of the most popular GANcubes that they made recently. So you have the GAN-X, which is personally my favorite GANcube, the GAN-XS, which is a very popular cube as well, the GAN11 and Pro, which is the one that they introduced core magnets in and the new naming scheme. We have the 12 Maglev, which is also a very popular cube, and then the 12 UI Maglev. The GAN13, 14, and 15s are not in here, probably because they aren't as popular as these cubes. Then in the bottom of the box, we have the plastic plates, and this is used to attach onto this box and make it like a display box for the plastic core. So let's go ahead and assemble the display box. There is a little bit of an instruction manual that tells you what to do. So first you have to remove the plastic film on both sides, and then you just assemble it like so, and then you put it on top of this box. So it should be super simple. I saw a lot of YouTubers online complaining about the fact that this box was opaque. As you can see, you can't see through it, but that is actually not the case. It's because they did not read the instructions and remove the plastic peel on the sides. So you can see there is a plastic peel, and it is on both sides. It's very difficult to remove. So as you can see, when you remove the plastic peel, it's very nice and clear. You can see right through it. Let's go ahead and remove them for the rest of the plastic plates. Okay, so these are all of the plastic plates. As you can see, when you remove the cover, they're very nice and clear. So I'm gonna try to not get any fingerprints on this while assembling. So this is the fully assembled box. As you can see, it's very nice and transparent. This goes right on top of there, like that. This is the cube. Let's go ahead and get it unwrapped. Okay. Please follow the instructions when dealing with magnetic rods. Avoid violent disassembly. This is the magnet adjustment instruction booklet. I have not seen this included with the normal GAN15, so this is probably new. Let's go ahead and do some first turns. So it is just a GAN15, does not feel anything different. However, the tensions out of the box have a very high maglev tension setting, which is on setting 5, I believe. And that causes the pieces to still feel very fast because of the piece design and the lube that's on there. But then the core has a very sluggish feel. So the slowness stems from the core. And that causes this imbalance feeling that some people like, but I personally do not like. Which is why when I usually want to slow down a cube, I use lube instead of tension setting. Let's go ahead and just adjust all of the settings to tension 3. This is it's like stuck inside. How does this happen? I don't want to break anything, but like, it's not gonna come out. Okay, oh my god, there we go. This is not designed very well, okay. So the cube feels much better now. Let's go ahead and do a solve. The colors might mess me up because of this glittery translucent plastic that we have here. Let's go ahead and just do a solve. There's way too many things, but that's a 12-second solve, which is pretty nice. Okay, so something I wanted to try is actually to see if this core would actually work. I guess we can use the square centers, and what we can do is actually put the magnet on the bottom, and then put the tension adjustment part on the top. That makes a complete center. It actually turns pretty well. I was assuming that this would actually not work, but it works pretty well actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same with the other sides. The center cap removing tool is actually not working very well. I think it probably requires the cube to be assembled, but that's fine. So this one is a bit more rough. I don't think the tolerances are as nice. See, this one turns much more smoothly than this side, which is much more rough. I guess we'll work that in eventually when we get the full cube assembled. That's not making a very nice sound. Okay, let's go ahead and install the other ones. I think it's actually probably better to have some lube on the centers to make it move easily. So I guess we can just take this one out first. Super tight. There we go. I have some FC Stealth over here. We'll just probably dab some onto the center. To this part right here. Yeah, that turns much better. Yeah, this is feeling really rough. It's fine. We'll break it in later. I think there's something wrong with this center cap remover. I think the prongs are a bit too spaced out. We could use the one from the GAN15 Maglev Zenith. Yeah, that one works much better. Okay, so this is fully assembled on this silver display core. There are some really weird tolerance issues that you would normally not encounter with a normal core, such as this center like having much more freedom to spin, and this center being like really tight and difficult to move, but I think this will work itself back in. So now I guess we can put on the pieces and get the cube back assembled. Does not look like it actually can fit the piece because of this core magnet right here. If you remove it, it's gonna fit. Okay, this is not practical at all, but it's pretty cool, so that's what I want to try. Okay, so the core is all done being assembled. Now we can just put the pieces back in. Okay, here we go. The cube is fully assembled with the metal core. Some like small minuscule catching. I don't know where that's from. This is, yeah. Cube does not behave like it's supposed to. Yeah. This side is much like rougher than the top, which has a lot less friction. You can see there's a lot more friction on these sides than on the top. Okay, so that is a mission accomplished. I think I might have ruined this cube, but yeah. So yeah, this is the GAN15 Maglev 10th anniversary edition. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like and maybe try subscribing as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.